Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this multimedia player special for Renault Megane 29 to 2016 year. Okay, here is the box. Megane 3, MK3. Okay, let me open the box. Okay, you will show this screen and the fascia. Okay, you can check. And the DVD player and harness. Let me open it. Okay. Okay, let me show. This is DVD player, single DIN with the harness. Let me open this fascia and the screen. Okay, you can check. This screen. Fascia. Okay. Let me show the harness. You can check, this is a special harness, long cable connector, special connector. You can check. Megane 3 power cable, Megane 3 power cable. Okay. Okay, let me show this connects the USB, this connector. Okay. Okay, and this connector. Okay, this is canvas, come with canvas Megane. Okay, this is GPS antenna. External microphone. It's USB cable, 2 USB cable, radio antenna, audio cable, this subwoofer, and this video out 1 and the video out 2. This audio combo front and rear. Okay, now let me show the single thing. Let me take driver agent. You can check this front panel. It's DVD slot. No power. Please take out the two screws before you install it. This fixes the DVD player in the shipping. Okay. You can check back radio antenna. It's a cable. Power Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Okay, let me show the screen. Okay, you can check. This is SD card, GPS SD card. And the back. This is connector, GPS antenna. In the back side. Okay, let me connect this connector. This connector connects. Okay, connected. I think yeah. Okay, let me connect the power cable with 12 voltage. Okay, power. Please take out this touch screen protector before using. Okay, I think this will connect that cable. With that connector. Let me check. I think it have connect this the back of head unit. You can check this connector. This connector have to connect it because it doesn't on. You have connect this connector. Okay, thank you. I will